In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change the number of games in My League 2K24. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change the number of games or the length of the season, and you will be able to customize it to your preference in My League 2K24. So in order to customize this, access the My League 2K24 menu, choose any of the areas, and in here, of course, you will be able to browse through any of your save files. Now, once you are inside of your save file, at the right side of the screen, you will be able to find Setup Options. So make sure that you select Setup Options and you will be able to change various things here. What you have to do is customize simple settings. So choose this option, customize simple settings, make sure that it is enabled. And now among the simple settings setup, you will be able to find season length. So usually this is going to be set to 82 and you will be able to change it to whatever you prefer. You can lower it to whichever number you want, 58, 27, and after it is set, you will be able to go inside of your save file and play according to the season length. So this will set the number of games each team plays per season. And as you can see, you can also change other options. So the quarter length, simulated quarter length, autosave, and then other things related to the game played. But if all you wanted to do was to change the length of the season, just choose it here in the simple setup menu. So right before you create a league, go into the option to start the mode or enter setup options, and you will change the season length between 14, 29, 58, 82. You can also change quarter length, playoff length, and so on. Everything will be saved as soon as you set it up here, and you can start playing that season. I hope I was able to help you on how to change number of games in My League 2K24. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.